What is this?
Oh, wow. What's up here? Oh? Oh,
It's open.
it's a door.
Oh,
It's a hidden door.
what is this
This is
room?
my ninja room.
Oh,
Amazing.
Wow.
Couple of takoyakis. Spread them out nicely. There we go. Just gonna slide this over.
so guys, we still have plenty of time here. Where do you want to go?
Well, Osaka is famous for takoyaki,
Oh, yeah.
Takoyaki?
Yeah,
kushikatsu,
true.
and there's that really tall tower that you can see the whole city from, right?
Oh, yeah, I remember that one.
Big
yeah, let's
tower?
go.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think that we should do that today. What do you think?
Yeah, I
Yeah?
want to go there.
All right.
Yeah.
Look at his face, eh?
His eyes are coming out. Look.
Let's go in. Hello. Thank you very much. The classic is the beef, so we should probably try the classic, right? How many we should do?
Cheese, you like grilled
Cheese.
chicken meatball.
I bet there's a mochi in here too.
Yeah.
You want rice cake, right? You like that, right?
Yeah.
失礼します。こちらが当店地コンボとこっちが神戸ビーフ
Oh,
で
what is
Hey,
so
Look at all that.
す。ケーキ、ソーセージ with チーズ、チキンミートボール。
Oh,
Amazing.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
thank you.
Nice.
Cheese.
Good?
Yeah, it's very good.
Ooh.
Good.
I think you want to try
Yeah,
this,
I'm
right?
going with this one.
What do you think, Snow?
Oh.
Better watch it. That's a sausage with cheese.
Sounds crunchy. Yeah, let's
Cheers.
cheers.
Oh, pork.
Oh, pork.
That's good. Wow, there it is. There it is.
Going, you
That's the
see?
place.
Don't
Very,
fall,
very top.
Daddy.
It is. It
We're
is.
going there.
Wow.
Oh, yes! Look at the beautiful view from Osaka. Hey, look at this. Hello.
Okay, I see it.
And look, you can see the sun's coming out over there, over the mountain.
Daddy,
Yeah.
what is that?
Billy Ken.
You have to
So
touch it.
apparently, if you touch his feet, your dreams will come true. Your wishes. So let me give it a go.
Don't tell us what you're wish.
No, I gotta keep it secret. Well, we're together. We're together. Don't you worry. The takoyaki going down that
You
slide.
two look like takoyaki.
A couple of takoyakis.
Takoyaki.
Takoyakis. See you at the bottom.
Let's go. Bye.
There she goes.
Hey, Daddy, hi.
Thank you, thank you.
What is takoyaki?
3名様。
Yes, 3 people,
お願い
please.
しますね。
Thank you, thank you.
Hello. But I don't even know.
What about shrimp? You like shrimp, right?
Yeah.
You want to do shrimp?
Okay, takoyaki shrimp.
Yeah. So please follow the below instructions carefully. All right. Apply oil around the holes in surrounding areas where the takoyaki batter is to be poured into. So you did the first step is done.
Yeah.
Okay.
We did it, right?
I'll just do it because it feels so satisfying.
Oh.
Whoa.
That's so
That's how you do it.
This is the shrimp.
The batter.
Okay.
That's so cool. Throughout it, as you like, okay? Spread them out nicely. There we go. Using the hari, push the excess batter between the takoyaki balls into the balls.
This one looks good.
This one.
This one here?
Mommy. Wow.
Oh.
This one.
Oh, it's still not ready. Be careful.
Ouch. That's delicious. I think so. It's okay? Good?
Good?
You over there?
Yeah.
Let's cut this open. Just gonna slide this over.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Mmm. Mmm.